Hi guys, again from Gianni Sports with another bet for weight reduction and rebalancing. Uh, so let me tell you about the bet, which brand and which size. Actually, it is a Grey Nichols Legion original one, but it's a size 6 bet. So it's probably 950 960 grams in weight, and the user requirement is the bed is out of the balance, and the kid is feel little bit weight at the bottom when he lifting the bed, like if he come on the back foot to play the short pitch ball or late cut, so he feel little bit heavy while lifting the bed. So on this we have a two option. One, we have to go completely weight reduction to remove the weight from the backside, or we have to do the something on handle on bottom side, and remove the excess weight from the like scuff sheet, from toe guard, or from threading, from a sticker, to make the balancing of the bed. So first we go for the first option, second option, to reduce the weight and make the rebalancing by removing the excess weight like scuff sheet, like thread, like toe guard, like sticker, like grip, and rehandling and reshaping of the handling. So if it will not work from that option, then we will go for the weight reduction from removing the backside weight. So let's start. What we do, we first remove the scuff sheet, we remove the threading, we make the toe guard properly, and then we do the final sanding, and we do the slightly reshaping of the handle from the collar, and make it slightly semi-oval. Currently is a round handle, so we will make it slightly semi-oval. So then we will see if this will okay, so we will go ahead to finish it. Otherwise we will go for the weight reduction from the bottom, from the spine, between the spine and the edge. So we will put the slightly concaving on the both side. Okay, so let's start. Hi guys, so we have done it from the option 2, which I was earlier told that we will go for the removing the excess weight from the scrub sheet, from the binding, from the handle, and reshaping it. So after all this, it was a perfectly balanced, it was a perfectly lightweight than before. Almost we have removed 65 to 68 grams excess weight from the bed after removing the handle threading and rethreading and reshaping the handle, the scrub sheet, and sanding the dead skin. So yeah, it's done. It's oiled, it's knocked, the toe guard is fitted, and we just try to maintain the logo of the Grey Nichols during the sanding. So almost we have done it, but from the back side is almost there. So waxing is done, knocking is done, oiling is done, and balancing is done. Handle is slightly semi-oval is done. So we use the matching color grip with the toe guard, and we use the one slice of almost 1 inch of the grip for the counterbalance. So yeah, it's done. So we just done the threading on the top because we had a this bed had a shoulder cracks on the both side. So just maintain it for the future for not breaking. So we have done the shoulder threading as well. So yeah, it's done.